All right, so let's continue discussing the flux through the cylinder. So we calculated individual fluxes, and if you add them, you do phi1 plus phi2 plus phi3, you can see on the right hand side, you get the net flux as 0. So you can see that this cylinder, which is a closed surface made up of three surfaces, the net flux through this surface, a closed surface, is 0. And we expected this from Gauss law, right? If we go to the previous videos, you find if there is no charge, the net flux has to be 0, right? So even in this situation, we found that although there is flux flowing, but when it passes through a closed surface in a manner that the total flux which is flowing through the overall parts of the closed surface is 0, the charged enclosed is 0. Yet another way of looking at Gauss law by using a cylinder situation. Thank you.